live in Surfside, part of Miami Beach. We had to renovate because the place had been rented for over 10 years and we needed to freshen it up.
There was a lot of work that needed to be done and we just really wanted to kind of bring it up to date. I found Chapter through doing research on house.com. They caught my eye as someone who had experience here in the Miami area. I liked the pictures that they had online. And what sealed the deal was when we had our first kind of meeting with Ben and the team, and just loved their energy and some of the ideas that they had, and so it was just really great to talk to them.
We decided to move back to Miami. We've lived here up until 2010, so we needed to freshen up the place before we moved back in.
Yeah, it had carpets, it was dated, it hadn't been updated since around 2007, so it was really time for us to get that done.
The moment we saw the stone in the store, we just fell in love with it, so we decided on the spot that we had to have that stone in here. We didn't know what it's going to look like as a full wall. We just saw a part of the just one tile, but we love the color, and that's still my favorite part, the guest bathroom.
For me, it's the floors and the kitchen. We originally were trying to preserve floors that we had in here, but with the guidance of the design team and everything, we realized that it was just wasn't going to be possible, and we're really happy that we changed all the floors, and the color is great. It just feels, beachy, which is, we're right on the beach, so that's what I was really excited about. And then the kitchen just looks great. Love the cabinets, the way the appliances all fit in and everything. So yeah, for me, it's the kitchen and the floors. Everyone who we worked with here was really, really nice and conscientious of our time and polite, but also open to kind of feedback and getting things changed if we wanted to, or changed our minds about something. So for me, I think it was just a really easy, seamless process. There was a lot of great communication.
Yeah, it was pretty easy working with everyone at Chapters. Again, the permitting took forever, but once we had the permits, everything was so easy. We didn't have to be in Florida to manage everything on site, so we lived in Boston, and the guys here did an amazing job without any supervision, so we're really happy with that.
Yeah, we were in a great WhatsApp group with Andres, who's our project manager, and Ilyas, who's our designer, and we were just communicating all the time, and they were sending us updated pictures, asking us questions about choosing materials, and it was just very, very comfortable speaking to them. We were never hesitant to bring up an issue if we had one, or to ask questions. We always knew they would have our backs.
So I would absolutely recommend Chapter. It was so easy working with everyone, and the results are amazing, so absolutely. I would recommend them with no hesitation.